The political atmosphere is such that would encourage truth-telling. Hindi naman na may bahid politika, yung mga ganyan na mga nakikita natin, naririnig natin ngayon, yung mga hearings, especially sa Quad, from one bombshell testimony to another bombshell testimony, and I think we can expect more of that.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Ito sa harap ng Quad, ng Kongreso! Siyempre naman kailangan ko ipakilala ko yung mga kasama ko sa liderato ng Congress. Ang ating Senior Deputy Speaker from Pampanga, Congressman Don Aurelio Gonzales. Ang lead chair ng ating Quadro, the one and only Surigao del Norte 2nd District Representative Ace Farmers. Our Abang Likud Party List Representative Caraps Patuano, Chairman of our very, very important committee, Charge of Co-Chair natin, Surigao del Sur 2nd District Representative Johnny Pimentel, Antipolo 2nd District Representative Romeo Aco, isa sa galing at very active dito sa ating Quad. Bukidnon 2nd District Representative Jonathan T. Flores. Ito, sikat na talaga kasi artista talaga, pero bumalik sa Kongreso. Siguro kailangan na tumayo siya at lumapit dito kasi gagawa siya ng pelikula tungkol sa Quad. The one and only Mangulan District Representative John Fernandez. Tumayo ka naman. Ano ka naman? Yes, ka naman. Ayan o. Ano mo sa ulo? Kamusta si Cassie? Ito, siya ang sinasabi sa Eurofund na representative, pero sa Kongreso siya isang kasabayan. Our congressman from the One Rider Party, Congressman Raj Gutierrez.
Oh, you're fooling this country. You're fooling the Filipino people. And with that, Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Kong Doming, I move to cite Alice Go in contempt in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph C. Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion to cite Alice Go Aka Go Waping in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation, and this is duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go Aka Go Waping is cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman, with that, once again, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Ong for not answering the question of this representation in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, Paragraph C of our internal rules.
Second. Ako.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Leong for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of the House. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? No objections. The motion is approved.
I therefore move, Mr. Chair, that Attorney Harry Roque be cited for contempt for disrespecting the members of this committee when he lied in order to evade attending the hearing of this committee where he was invited. So move, Mr. Chair.
I did not quite hear what you said, Congressman Salo. Can you please repeat? Are you moving for the committee to cite Mr. Attorney Harry Roque in contempt?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Pursuant to Section 11E of the Rules of the House of Representatives in aid of legislation.
Before we vote
Chairman Abante?
before we vote of the contempt, we would like to hear first the explanation of the reason behind his absence to this committee last year.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was hoping to be given an opportunity to be heard. It was an honest mistake, Your Honor. I have also been a member of this chamber. We don't hold hearings on Fridays. So when I saw the notice of hearing, I assumed that just like the first and the second hearing where I attended, that it would be on a Thursday. And that is true, that I had a hearing both in the morning and in the afternoon. And that is why I sent that letter. By the time I realized that it was a Friday and there was in fact a hearing, it was also close already to lunchtime and the hearing was in Pampanga. So I apologize for the honest mistake, but the truth of the matter is I have been here on Thursdays, so 2 hearings already, and I just assumed that just like in the past where we don't hold hearings on a Friday, that the hearing would be on a Thursday, as in fact today is also a Thursday. So it was an instance of, okay, there's a hearing, it's on Thursday again, and I have a hearing on Thursday. That's why I sent the letter right away, not even realizing that 16 is a Friday. That was an honest mistake. Had I had any intentions not to appear, I would not have appeared today as well. But in the first 2 instances, and those were the 2 instances where I was invited, I in fact appeared. I have no wish to disrespect the very same body of which I was a part of, which I consider at some point in time as my happy place, in fact, the House of Representatives. Thank you, Your Honors.
Yung assumption nyo mali.
Opo, mali nga po yun.
And therefore, pag nag-assume ka ng mali, you should be ready for the consequences. Hindi ba dapat ganon?
Yes po, but there was no intent to disrespect this
I'm not
chamber.
asking whether you have the intent. Ang tinatanong ko lang po doon is, kung nag-assume po kayo ng mali, hindi po ba dapat tanggapin ninyo yung consequences?
I will of course accept the consequences, the decision of this body, but since I was given an opportunity to be heard, I thought that there should be allowance for honest mistakes.
Kasi, pagpasensya mo na ako. Kasi ako, I know that you have been practicing as a lawyer for a long time. Di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And as a practicing lawyer, lahat po ng schedule ninyo nakalagay. For example, for the week, kung ano ang hearing mo for the week, ano yung appointment mo, nakalagay po. Di po ba?
Totoo po yun. Kaya nga po, doon sa certificate, talagang may hearing po ako nung Thursday. And mali nga lang po yung assumption ko na yung sumunod na hearing ay hindi na pala Thursday dahil puro Thursday po tayo.
Ang ibig nyo pong sabihin, wala sa schedule ninyo yung dapat umattend kayo ng hearing sa Friday, nung Friday?
Yun nga po, nailagay ko po siya ng Thursday kasi every Thursday po yung hearing natin.
Then, as it is, kayo po lahat ang may kasalanan. Wala.
Opo, pero wala naman
ng iba.
Opo, pero wala naman pong intention to disrespect the
Hindi ko
chamber.
po pini-question yung intention nyo. Ang pini-question ko lang, as a practicing lawyer, ang alam ko, yung mga lawyers, meron silang sinusulatan lahat ng kanilang mga schedule. In your case, kung nakalagay yung schedule na yun, dun sa yung event na yun, sa yung book of schedules, dapat alam ninyo.
Sa totoo nga lang po, dahil akala ko Thursday, nakita ko na morning afternoon ng hearing ko, sumulat na ako kaagad to inform the committee as soon as possible dahil ang buong akala ko po talaga Thursday.
Attorney Roque, marami na pong namatay dahil sa maling akala. Kindly bear that in mind.
Person Attorney Harry Roque was cited in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph E of our rules.